Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Delphine. So today I decided to share with you 3 drugstore oils that I'm using to grow my edges back, and it's really helping me, guys. I mean, my edges has left from being completely bowed or empty to being this thick, okay, and long. Yes guys, when all of my hair is completely out, you can barely tell that I have short hair in front like this, just because it has really grown, I mean, compared to the way it was before. So it's all because of the oils and also how I take care of my hair. But remember, all hair types are not the same, okay? We all have different hair types, different hair texture and all that. And guys, I'm really not a DIY person, so I really don't have time to sit down and boil aloe vera, flaxseed, carrots and stuff like that just to help my hair grow. I really don't do a lot of DIY, so I just go to the store, I grab whatever I can that I think will help, and I try different products, and then I concluded with these 3, and this is what I have been using for a really long time, and it has helped me to grow my edges back. So I really hope this video helps you, and if it does, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and leave your comments down in the comment section. So let's get right into the video. So guys, moving to the oils, my oil number 1 is the Jamaican mango and lime black castor oil. Guys, this oil has really been helpful. So this is one of the oils I use to grow my hair, and the reason why I choose this oil is because of the benefits of the oil. I mean, a lot of people know about this oil. Like, a lot of people use this oil for different purposes, to, you know, to seal in moisture, to grow hair for the scalp. And I have been using this oil. I use it too for my hair, for my scalp. And guys, if you read on it, it says helps to strengthen the hair, it replenishes the hair, it nourishes, it rejuvenates. So guys, I have been using this oil and I've really found it helpful. And guys, I'm using the original. I've been using this original for a long time. You have different types. You have mango, you have lime, you have, like, I mean, there are a lot of different types of Jamaican black castor oil, but I mostly use the original. Guys, in place of the other one, the original, if you're looking for something really specific to your scalp, you can try the lemongrass, this one right here. So it's the same Jamaican black castor oil, mango and lime, but this one is the lemongrass. The other one was the original, but this is the lemongrass. So I mean, you can either go for this one. This one is more specific to the scalp. It supports healthy scalp, helps fortify hair, adds shine, and it's also great for massage, especially if you're trying to grow your front hair or your edges like mine. So it's really going to help with your scalp and with the massage. So this is number 1 oil, guys. So that's my number 1 brand, the Jamaican black castor oil. And number 2 is my avocado oil, guys. You've probably seen this in almost all my videos because I use this a lot for my hair, for my daughter's hair. Like, I use this to seal in moisture. I use this for my scalp. I use this oil in almost everything, guys. And all these oils, I got them from local beauty supply. Okay, they are there. You can find them so easily. They are not DIY oils. So guys, I'm trying to show you exactly how I use all 3 at the same time and how it has really helped me. So it's my avocado oil, guys, and this particular type, so it's in a little bottle like this. I mean, you can use the natural avocado oil or whatever avocado oil you like to use. I like this oil because it's easy to absorb. Like, it's really good when it comes to sealing in moisture. It absorbs really fast and it stays in there. Okay, it also stays in there. So I really love avocado oil. I'd use it for almost everything, like I already said. So avocado oil is my number 2 oil, and it's really great. It's one of my favorite. And the next is the castor oil. Guys, the castor oil is also really great. It helps with dry scalp, especially if you're wanting to grow your front hair or your edges. Remember, the front hair, it's always open. Like, it's one of the parts of our hair that is always so exposed, just like the face. It's closest to the face, so it's really exposed. It's always exposed to the sunlight, to wig. Even when we are putting on wig, you know, we get to apply a lot of products and glues, sprays, and everything goes to the front hair, so it gets really dry. It's usually over manipulated. So if you're looking for something that will help, you know, to always keep that part of the hair moisturized, you know, in terms of oil, the castor oil is one of the best. So it's one of my oils. So those are the 3 oils, and I'm going to show you exactly how I use all 3 at the same time. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you exactly how I use these products together, and it's really easy. So first, I'm just going to get my bottle. This is an empty bottle, guys, and this is how it comes. So it's been labeled from like 1 to 4 ounces. I don't know if you can see that, but it's easier to use because of the labels. So it's easy for me to measure. So it has from 1 to like 4 ounces. So I'm just going to like put each and every one of the products. So first is my castor oil, and I'm just going to put like 1 ounce. So there we go, guys. So this is the castor oil one, and then next is my avocado. So I'm going to put at least 1, 2. And next, my castor. So guys, I've been using the original for a long time, so I only got the lemongrass because it was more specific to the scalp, so which is good if you want to use that. So I'm going to be using that as well, but not as often as this one. So I'll probably be using both, but not at the same time. So guys, next is my castor oil. I'm just going to like, oh my guys, you can see the difference already. The castor oils is so heavy. It's so heavy. That's why you always hear most people tell you castor oil is really not the best when it comes to sealing in moisture compared to the avocado oil. You see, the avocado and the castor are really lightweight, but the castor is so heavy. You can see that already. You can see it's so distinct when I've not mixed them yet. So guys, this is all, and I would have really loved to add some coconut oils in this, but guys, the unfortunate thing about me is that my hair hates coconut oil. Like anything that has to do with coconut on my hair, it just doesn't work for me. Okay, if I apply anything coconut, my hair will be feeling so dry, like extra crispy bacon. Like, I mean, you're gonna if you've been through that before, you understand what I mean. So I just don't use coconut oil. But every hair type is different, every hair porosity. All you need to do is go for what works best for your hair. So for mine, instead of the avocado oil, maybe you could go with the coconut oil if that is what works best for your hair. All you want is for your scalp, for your front hair, for your edges to always have all the nutrients that it needs for it to grow healthy, and also for it to come back, okay, to the way it was if you've lost your front hair before due to certain hairstyles. Mine is due to a certain stupid mistake that I actually made on my hair. And guys, I have a video that I talked about everything, the mistakes you may be doing that is causing your edges or your front hair not to grow, and how you can help it to grow. I'm going to leave a link up here, and also at the end of this video you can go ahead and watch that, and I assure you it's really going to help you. So guys, after putting everything together like this, so I'm just going to like mix it up. So guys, this is what it looks like. So all I do is just like, you know, apply a little bit on my edges on my scalp every now and then. And guys, I wish I was really consistent. To be sincere with you guys, I'm just not so consistent. I've always wanted to do 3 times a week, but sometimes guys, before I remember, it's past a week, it's past 4 days. So I'm really not consistent. But if you really want a good result, you should try your best to be consistent. If you choose to do it twice a week, be consistent. 3 times a week, be consistent. It's really going to help your hair to grow, because you want your edges to always have moisture, okay? The moisture it needs, the strength, the oil, you know, you want something that will always nourish it. So that's it, guys. This is all I use, this is all I do, and this is how long my edges are right now. So this product has really helped me. Like I said, despite what I've shown you and said, you still have to go with what is best for your hair. If this doesn't work for you, don't blame yourself, okay? It's all hair types are different. Your hair porosity may not be my hair porosity. Your hair type may be different, so go with what works best for your hair. But if you feel like trying out these ones, it's still okay, and I assure you it's probably going to help your hair too, because I mean these are oils that are already made. So but that's it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. And I love you. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye bye.